So, good morning. Happy Friday. Kanina pa ako gumising. Guys. So, nakaluto na tayo sa baon ni Ethan. Ito yung baon ni Ethan. Pero yung rice pala, hindi pa luto. So, pinapaano ko muna baka kasi mahilaw guys ba? So, may hilaw sa Tagalog ha. Baka basta, nakalimutan ko na guys. So, ayan, hinintay ko lang si Ethan sa taas. Actually, doon ako sa taas natutulog guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog. Doon ako natulog. Then, the whole day dito lang ako sa baba. Kasi nga, ayoko nang pasaka-saka ng hagdan. Nakataas kasi yung hagdan. So, hinintay ko na lang si Ethan. And then, kakain na siya. Tapos, hatid ko siya sa school. So, I'm planning to have a car wash kay Just, pero umulan kasi. Tapos guys, wala na si cross ponder sa amin. Kinuha na siya ng may-ari. Kagabi. Hindi ko na yun na-vlog. Kasi ayoko kasing maano sila ba. Mga kasi guys, mga private person. So, hindi ko na lang sila binlog. Kagabi sila na pumunta dito. Actually, pinanda yan sa amin guys. Tapos ngayon, nagbayad lang siya ng 30 sa akin. Tapos nag-favor siya na kunin daw niya yung sasakyan kasi maglalako siya kasi yung binibenta niya yung mga tabako. So sabi ko, okay, hindi naman ako stick ng mga ganyan. Naiintindihan ko rin kasi yung ginagamit kasi niya guys is motor, umulan. So sabi ko, okay po. Tapos sabi niya, by this week or next week daw niya babayaran yung kulang na 5K. Sabi ko, sige, kunin mo na lang yung sasakyan. Nakakamiss. Akala ko kasi namin kami yung mag-assume. Pero okay lang yun. Di rin siya maparintahan ko guys kasi matumal. Yung tumal means yung low season, yung mahina. Hina kasi ngayon eh. So, andyan yung dalawang Chevrolettes ko. Yung Vios ko tsaka Wigo lang yung narentahan. So, kaya ayun, wala na lang. Wala kinuha na. Namimiss kamiss. So, back to 4 na naman tayo. Hindi 5. So, ayun lang guys. Hintay ko lang si Ethan bababa. Tapos, maglalagay muna ako ng rice pala sa sa lunchbox niya. So, tingnan natin kung ito lang ba ako sa bahay mamaya. Wala kasi akong guys, walang booking. So, ayan. Peaceful ng bahay. Kami lang, tatlo. Ay, kapuya, sige ko. Wala na si Kuandong, Just. Just. Cross ponder.
Pangalan ito din.
Cross ponder. Nagikuha lang gabi eh. Napala siya kuwang na ko nga 5,000. Ay. Tama daw. Kaya pagas lang ko dito dipin sa Petron.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again. like that, and I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully. Crazy how something can scar you so deep, but you fall right back. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would have got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to need you again, but I need you again.
Ngayong hapon sa panahon sa buyan na siya. So ang dito, ang Diyos sa Ama, Anak, Espiritu Santo, na ang panahon sa buyan. Ngayong hapon sa Hello guys, maayong hapon. Magto 2:20 na ng 2:24 ng hapon guys. So, as you all know guys, 'di ba, nag-file tayo ng church annulment. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Hear me mga prayers. Despite sa tanan nga nahitabo sa ako sa mga problema, but then naagya pon ka kanunay o naagya pwede blessing nga gihatag mo na mo. So, this is the acceptance guys sa Tribunal of First Instance, Roman Catholic Bishop of Tagbilaran City, to my name, to Miss Melissa Aldeza. Yun po yung ano ko, nung dalaga pa ako. So, i-open natin to. Ito pala yung acceptance na, ano to, nagbayad na pala ako nito ng 5,000. Tapos, nagsa-start na sila, ano sila guys, nagbigay na naman sila ng letter doon sa ex-partner ko, for first letter kasi ginawa nila nung una pero ngayon bago na naman yung nag-handle, so nagpadala na naman sila ng letter. Pag hindi pa rin yun na-receive, magpapadala na naman sila ng pangalawa. Pag hindi pa rin, mag-ano gyapon guys, mag-continue gyapon yung mag-continue pa din yung church annulment ko. So, kailangan natin to buksan. Kasi nandito daw yung yung letter. Buksan ko na lang siya. So, babasahin ko siya sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you Lord. Dito na. So, ito, sabi dito guys, the tribunal of the first instance of the Diocese of Tagbilaran, upon the recommendation of the Bishop of Tagbilaran, has accepted your case for an adjudication. At the outset, we would like to ask you, the petitioner of the case, whether you wish to comply with the specific requirements so that your case may be processed through the brief procedure as provided for by the motto Proprio Maitis in Diox Domino is Jesus of Pope Francis something. You may also use the enclosed form and do send it back to us within 20 days from the date indicated below. If you have any questions, please call us. Again, we wish to make it clear to you that the whole proceedings, which are done with utmost confidentiality, imply no criticism on either party, since their objective is only to determine whether the marriage entered into contained all the essential elements that are part of a full Christian conjugal union according to the understanding and teaching of the Catholic Church. Their purpose is directed towards the spiritual well-being of the parties involved, for the peace of conscience, with the possibility of remarriage in church. Also, they have no civil effects. By sincerely Reverend Father Rene Ruiz. So, si Father. So, may form po dito na i-ano ko siya, i-attach. So, alam niyo mga form dito. So, the decree of acceptance of the bill of complaint, Agesa versus Cortes. The 30th of June in the year of the Lord 2024, this decision of the first instance having invoked the divine name and having considered. Okay. Okay. So, yun guys, ito na. So, yan po na ito kami. Yung nilalaman mga dito. So, bibigay ko to siya sa kanila. And then, thank you kasi dito na. So, kahit wala ako dito sa Bohol, pwede daw ako nung mag-meeting, mag-Zoom meeting kasi ano daw yan, parang mag-hearing ganun. Yun, so sana okay lang yung mga ano natin. Tapos dalawa kami sa 2024. Pangalawa ako sa 2024 na nag-file. Na kasi magdidepende daw yan kung sino yung willing na ma-annulled, yung bang palagi kang nag-update, nagpa-follow up, ganun. Yun daw. Kung sino yung matatapos, yun din ang mauna matapos sa hearing namin. So, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So, yun guys, kapag kayo ay kasal kayo sa church, sa husband nyo or wife nyo, kailangan kayo magpa-church annulment guys. Kailangan talaga. Kasi pag mamaya na yung annulment sa civil, kasi importante yung ma-annulled ka sa church, yung bang wala kang mortal sin na harap sa Ginoo, ni Lord. So mas importante ito, at least ito pag ma-annull na ako nito guys, magpapakasal kami sa church, kami ni Honey. So most probably doon na siguro sa Canada. So, yun guys. Pasensya na, may bubulgam ako. Thank you for watching. Kasi matas-taas na to yung natin, yung vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe naman guys para sa sunod na to na vlog. Magkita-kits ta. Bye!
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my